Dr. N. Sivakumar, Department Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, Ahmed University. Today the title name is Simple Name Reaction and Mechanism of Organic Chemistry. This slide shows some objectives: introduction, simple name reaction, mechanism, and new bond formations, and finally applications. Introduction of organic chemistry. Organic chemistry are chemical reaction involve organic molecules. The basic organic chemistry is type of additions, elimination reactions, substitution reactions, periodic reactions, arrangement reaction, photochemical reaction, and redox reactions. In organic synthesis, organics are used in the construction of new organic molecules and productions of many non-made chemicals such as drug, plastic, food, additives, fibers depends upon organic reactions. First of all, what is organic reaction? Organic reaction is a study of organic molecules. Organic molecules consist of carbons and other elements commonly include hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, phosphorus. That's all. Organic molecules made of common carbon compounds only. Then organic hydrocarbons are made of hydrogen and carbon atoms only. Building block of organic molecules consists of only hydrogen and carbon molecules. These are simple name reactions. The slide shows as name reactions: acetoacetic ester condensation and glycine condensation. Acetoacetic condensation is nothing but ester and acetate molecules. This is a activated hydrogen compound taken in front of sodium ethoxide and acid conditions. First of all, sodium ethoxide goes to attack activated carbon atoms. Here this is a carbonyl compound. This is a ethyl acetate molecule. This is a ester ether form. This is a activated carbon hydrogen atom. Two hydrogens are easily available in ethoxide molecules. First it goes to sodium ethoxide goes to attack hydrogen, form the imine molecules. Imine molecules again goes to attack carbonyl compound. We have afforded acetoacetic ester molecule. This is a mechanism of glycine condensation. Acetoacetic acetic ester, this is a ethyl, this is a methyl, this is a ester molecule. This ester molecules in front of sodium ethoxide, this ethoxide goes to absorb. Here two protons are available, is a highly acidic protons. This acidic proton is easily available in base, here forming the anions. Here this anion shift to carbon atom is a electron rich center. This electron rich center is a two doubleted arrows, is a isomer. This is a resonance of double bonds. Here this minus charge shift, this O is kick out, get the anion, oxygen anion. This is a intermediate. Then this intermediate goes to attack one more molecule. This is to start at 2 moles of ester molecule. One more ester molecule, oxygen goes to attack carbonyl carbon. This carbonyl carbon double bond shift to oxygen. This oxygen is click out the ether molecules. You finally you got acetic ester. This is a ester molecule. This is a acetate molecule. These are all acetoacetate compound. Next slide goes to discuss about bridge reductions. Bridge reduction is nothing but 1,4 reduction in aromatic ring. This is a aromatic molecule. This is having a 3 double bond unsaturated bond. This is a aromatic compound. Aromatic compounds obey the Haeckel's rule, Sporian plus 5 electrons rules. This 5 electron reduced only by bridge reduction catalyst as a sodium and ammonia in front of ether. The sodium atom dissolved in ammonia in front of alcohol. This is a acetic alcohol. This is a R group is CH3 or CH2H5 like etc. These are all alkyl group, alkyl alcohol. They are dissolved in sodium is a form of free electrons. The sodium having free electron goes to attack the benzene ring in the alpha position here. Here having the 2 double bonds there. This shift one cleavage, the homolytic cleavage. This is shift here dot bond, shift here dot bond is called as a homo cleavage. This homo cleavage further goes to form with alcohols. This alcohol again produce the electrons. These electrons give the again homolytic radicals. These radicals having give the 2 dotted R's as like as minor charge. This minor charge abstract proton from alcohol. So finally, you got the 1,4 double letter cyclohexadiene. This is a cyclohexadiene is nothing but a bridge reduction of aromatic compound to aliphatic diene molecules. Finally, you got 1,4 reduction atom of cyclohexadiene. The question of why is 1,3 diene is not formed, because of this highly resonance and stable molecules. Here this is reduced means this is a conjugated double bond. Here bridge reduction goes to reduce this double bond 1 and 3 diene molecule. This is highly resonance. This double bond shift here, again this bond shift is a more stable, thermodynamically stable molecule, that is not formed the 3,4 diene molecule. Even that is would be more stable through the conjugations, can be rotational with a simple mnemonic. View to the valence bond theorem, the electron repulsion radical anion will perfectly have the non-bonding electron separating as much as possible in 1,4 relationship reduction only it is possible. This slide goes to discuss about Gleason rearrangement. Gleason rearrangement nothing but 3,3 sigmatropic rearrangement in front of heat reactions. Here you are taking allyl vinyl ether. This is a allyl vinyl ether. Where it is allyl, where it is vinyl. This is a vinyl compound. This is a allyl compound. 1, 2, 3 is a allyl. This 1 and 2 is a vinyl molecules. These both are connected with oxygen. This is a oxygen and a carbon atom joined anyl vinyl group. The aliphatic Gleason rearrangement is a 3, this is a aliphatic molecules, 3,3 sigmatropic rearrangement, so allyl vinyl ether. This is here, this double bond slightly shift here, this one is kick out, this goes to joint here. Here your bonding is terminal oxygen compound. This is a middle oxygen bond forming here, the starting material. Finally, you got the terminal aldehyde compound, vinyl, allyl vinyl aldehyde compounds. This is a unsaturated aliphatic aldehyde compounds. The aromatic Gleason rearrangement is accompanied by the rearomatization. The rearomatization is an example. This is the aromatic molecule of vinyl ether, allyl ether in presence of heat. This is a here the double free here oxygen having available of two lone pair of electrons here and here. This lone pair of electrons shift here, this double bond goes to attack allyl carbon atom. This allyl carbon atom click here, this one is going to shift oxygen atom. This is a intermediate of ketone and a unsaturated compound. Further, the ketone and unsaturated compounds, again here the hydrogen atom is eliminated and shift carbon, this is acetic carbon, shift here double bond here, this double bonds shift oxygen and observe the proton is alcohol, is a aromatic allyl or phenol. The esterification of alcohol or phenol and their subsequent Gleason rearrangement and thermal condition make the possible exchange of carbon chain of the molecules. This slide explains some mechanism of Gleason rearrangement. View the oxa variant. This oxa variant is a carbon molecule. This is a oxa variant molecules. Here the vinyl allyl compound is a doubleted half arrows is a intermediate delocalization of this doubleted half arrow delocalization of 5 bonds here. This bond is shift here, this bond is shift here, again shift, and this is a delocalization of 5 bond. We are breaking these carbon atoms. Here is the intermediate in this doubleted of arrow is found finally unsaturated hydrocarbons 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 5 diene penta molecules. This is aliphatic compound. Here these molecules shifting this double bond shifting the alkyl substituted alkyl group. This is break and shift here this terminated double bonds compound. The mechanism of Cope rearrangement here, ether compound is cleavage here is a electron shifting is a resonance form, this is a resonance intermediate, and again got the terminated aldehyde unsaturated terminated aldehydes. Here unsaturated terminated aldehyde again goes to Cope rearrangement, like you got the same product from aldehyde to terminated ester to terminated aldehyde. This is a mechanism of Gleason rearrangement. Next naming reaction is a Gleimanson reduction. Gleimanson reduction taking aliphatic ketone molecule. This is a aliphatic ketone. This is a aliphatic ketone molecules here joined 2 methyl group in the terminal and double bond of oxygen. This is a ketone, or aldehyde is here a shift double bond OES here shift CH2 CH3 is a aldehyde or aromatic or aliphatic taken in front of zinc and amalgam. Zinc amalgams is dissolved in hydrochloric acid and reflection conditions. The reflection conditions zinc oxide easily donate the electron is goes to attack carbonyl deficient carbon. Here this double bond is shifted to oxygen, and again one more electron is available in the zinc molecules is got a zinc 2 plus is a electron deficient atoms, and again it goes to attack carbonyl carbon and get is a protonated oxygen. This protonated oxygen easily eliminated to in presence of concentrated hydrochloric acid. You finally got the ketone molecule to saturated hydrocarbons like alkene molecule. This name is a propane. The 3 molecule name is a single molecule is methyl, second molecule is ethane, third one is propane, fourth one is butane. Like this is a propane molecule and aliphatic atom. The Gleimanson reduction is deoxoxidation of aldehyde or ketone to produce corresponding hydrocarbon. This is a corresponding hydrocarbon. This is saturated. This is unsaturated molecules converted to saturated molecules. Some mechanism of the Gleimanson rearrangement, the all ketone molecules taken in the gives the electron is shift. This two way goes to electron shift this molecule. This double This slide shows to discuss about Clemmensen reduction. Clemmensen reduction, the starting material take a aldehyde or ketone or unsaturated carbonyl compounds. So the unsaturated carbon like methyl, and methyl is a ketone molecules are here shift to the double bond O is aldehyde, here shift to the aromatic compounds are aldehyde only, not available in ketone molecules in front of zinc amalgam. Zinc is dissolved in concentrated hydrochloric acid is available in free electrons in zinc molecules, zinc atoms. This zinc atoms is electron here donate goes to attack carbonyl compound, here oxygen double bond is shifted to oxygen molecules. Now again one more electron goes to attack carbonyl carbon is again is alcohol is protonated. This protonated is easily available to hydrogen molecules. Finally you got the saturated compound like as a alkane. Alkane is a propane molecules. The Clemmensen reductions allows the deoxygenation of aldehyde or ketones to produce corresponding hydrocarbon. This is a hydrocarbon molecules. Mechanism of Gleason reductions. The reduction take place at the surface of zinc catalyst. This is a zinc catalyst, in amalgam. In these reactions, alcohol are not possible to intermediate because of one more electron is available and easily get the protonated with a concentrated hydrochloric acid, because the subjection of the corresponding alcohol to the same reaction condition does not lead to alkane. The following proposal employ the intermediately zinc carbonate to rotanalize the mechanism of Clemmensen reduction. This is a mechanism of Clemmensen reductions. The carbonyl compound, that is a ketone compound, zinc dust is donate the electrons goes to attack carbonyl carbon. This double bond shift to oxygen get the oxygenated ions. Here this oxygenated ions goes to attack zinc plus atoms. Here zinc intermediate compounds, the again zinc atoms goes to here double bonds, here shift here means it goes to attack zinc. Here zinc double bond is like as a imine formation reaction of organic molecules. This imine with zinc molecules again reacted with acid, hydrochloric acid. This hydrochloric acid is easily the free electrons double bonds goes to attack hydrogen atom. This is a protonated of zinc molecules, and again one more hydrochloric acid here present and again goes to attack proton, and finally we got saturated hydrocarbon molecules and the zinc 2 plus is available. Next slide goes to discuss about Usain cycloaddition 1,3 dipolar cycloaddition reaction. One polar cycloaddition reaction is in front of diene and diphole compounds. This is a heteroatom of dienophile. One is this is a 1 diene, this is a 2, this is a dienophile. This is a dipholes 1, 2. This is a 1, 2, 3 dienophiles reacted with light or heat. This is about a heterocyclic compound. Here this double bonds goes to attack heteroatom. This double bond shift here, this double bonds goes to attack this least electron molecules, finally form the 5-membered cyclic compound. One more example is taking is acetylene compound. This is acetylene compound, this is a vinyl compound. Here this acetylene compounds is a two available of bonds. Here this double bonds goes to attack this double bond. This double bonds shift to sorry, this double bond goes to attack here, this double bond shift and saturated here, then again this is free electrons available here, this free electron goes to attack here, is also having the electron deficient center because of one electron is given to the hetero atoms, is formed the cyclic compound in heat for in front of it, forming unsaturated cyclic 5-member ring. The Hussein cyclodation reactions of dipolar with a 1,3 dipolar compound that leads to 5-membered hetero cycles. This is a 5-member hetero cycles unsaturated compound. This is a 5-member saturated molecules. This is a diene molecule. This is a single double bond molecules. This is a mechanism of 1,3 dipolar cyclodation reactions. Here the dienes is the electron rich center, this is a electron deficient center. This electron rich centers shift the hero to electron deficient center. This electron deficient center goes to shift your nitrogen atom. This nitrogen double bond is goes to neutralized nitrogens. Finally, you got the cyclic tri nitrogen pentacyclic compound. This is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is like as a pentacyclic compound. The mechanism of 5 electron of difluorophiles. This is 5 electrons of difluorophiles and 4 electrons of polar compounds. 4 electrons of polar compounds precipitating in concentrated pericyclic shift. This is a pericyclic shift. The addition is stereo constitutive. This is a stereo constitutive means like this is a wedge points towards this is a towards above from me. This is a wedge bond and a dotted bond is a stereo selective compounds. And the reaction is the 2 plus 4 cyclodation similar to Diels-Alder reaction. This is like as a Diels-Alder reaction. Many others still use 3 plus 2 cyclodation, which count the member of involved atom, but does not follow the IUPAC recommendation. IUPAC recommended the use of 3 plus 2 for the member of involved atom instead. Next slide, some application of simple organic molecules like a synthesis of functionalized spirofluorine using the Bellisman attack derived from nitrous iron. This is developed in our research group. This is a spiropyridines is a highly biological active molecule. This is this center is pyro atoms. This is coming from simple entry reaction and 3 plus 2 cyclodation reactions. Now, first of all, it started the benzaldehyde reacted with nitromethane in presence of sodium hydroxide and HCl to form alcohol, and the elimination of water molecule. Finally, got the nitrostyrene. Nitrostyrene is further converted to nitroalcohol. This nitroalcohol reacted from nitrostyrene with formaldehyde. The catalyst as imidazole, anthracic acid, and water. Finally, afforded nitroalcohol. This nitroalcohol treating as a starting material for preparation of spiropyridine compound with isotene molecule. This is a isotene molecule having 3 functional molecules. In front of sarcosine is a amino acid, simple amino acid, acetonitrile as a solvent at reflux condition as 5 hours. You have afforded. Finally, afforded spiropyridine molecules. These molecules having so many biological activities like antifungal activities, anti-cancer activities, anti-tumor activities, like etc. This is some one more heterocyclic compound synthesis from our research group. Synthesis of a tetracyclic chromonopherone is a highly biologically active molecules. You have prepared from Bailey-Simon bromide. This Bailey-Simon bromide is using from aldehyde and acrylonitrile. You finally got the Bailey-Simon alcohol. Bailey-Simon alcohol again treated with bromination. Bromination is got the allyl bromide, allyl Bailey-Simon bromide. Allyl Bailey-Simon bromide using for the synthesis of 1, 2, 3, 4 tetracyclic compound. This is a Bellisman bromide reacted with salicylic aldehyde in front of mild base potassium carbonate solvent as acetonitrile at room temperature for 1 hour is converted to ethoxy molecule. This is a ethoxy, this is a ether compound, this is a phenoxy, this is a phenyl compound, this is a phenoxy aldehyde with a Bailey-Silman attack. This is a phenoxy molecule as a intermediate. This intermediate further treated with L-fluorine. L-fluorine is easily available, cheap cost compared to D-fluorine. This is a L-fluorine molecule, and again reflux condition with acetonitrile as a solvent at 5 hours. If I got the hymine molecules as a intermediate with aldehyde and NH proline available molecules form as a imine atom. This imine atom further goes to 3+2 cycloaddition. This application of the 3+2 cycloaddition reaction is a intramolecular. This here this molecule is only for joining within a molecules. This double bond shift this electron rich center goes to attack here. This is the electron deficient center. This shift to here, this molecule, this is cyclized. This is a intramolecular cycloaddition reaction here, forming the double 5-membered ring. Finally got the tetracyclic chromonopyrrolidine molecules. This slides are some applications of organic molecules. Chemistry, organic chemistry like drugs. Chemistry has a lot of fascinating fact such as heterocyclic compound. Discussed all slides are heterocyclic compound. Very first step is life started with heterocyclic compounds. Every man's potential to think, intelligent behavior, character depends on this gene. The basic secretions of genetic materials, DNA is made of the heterocyclic like dopamine, guanine, cytosine, thymine. But knowing about the heterocyclic compound and its application is part of human life. Most of drug used for the treatment of various diseases belongs to the category of heterocyclic compounds. This is an example of some thiamines, guanines, adenines, casotonides, etc. This slide shows some common applications of heterocyclic compound using as drugs. Various drugs are synthesis from the organic molecules. Then this is a polymer chemistry using the isoprene to polyisoprene. This is a clinical phase. This is hiding some alkaloids. This is some emulsion using the stain. This is some preservative hiding the synthesis from heterocyclic compounds. Vanillin using the bakeries. Here some toys preparing from polymers. Here some pigment synthesis from heterocyclic compounds. This is carbohydrate, proteins, amino acids, nucleides, etc. This was all some applications of heterocyclic compound from organic molecules. This slide shows some drug discovery sources. The drug available since one is natural sources and another one is synthetic heterocyclic compound sources. This is a synthetic sources like a simple name reactions are involved. This is a aliphatic new carbon nitrogen bond forming. Here aromatic molecule attached carbon bond formation. Here also simple molecular involving Friedel-Crafts reaction. Here also imine formation reaction. Like these are all this Clinton involved so many simple name reactions are dead. This slide shows some tetracyclic fused organic heterocyclic compounds. These heterocyclic compounds are involved heterodyl soda. This is heterodyl. Here fusing has a heterodyl soda reaction. Here noble condensation forming with this carbon to this carbon joining with noble condensation, and again this is our Friedel-Crafts reactions. This 1, 2, 3, 4 tetracyclic molecule made of so many name reaction are involved is highly biologically active molecules. This slide shows some representatives of natural product like coumarin, isoprene, petrofycillin, ethylocoumarin, cyclocoumarin, thiocoumarin, ethylocoumarin A. These are all some these are all the biologically active natural products. Some example of natural products from the drugs. These are all these are all converted from simple name reactions. This heterocyclic compound, this also involved so many organic name reactions. This also constructed with hydrocarbon with name reactions. These are all example of drugs. This is a soap made of soap preparation reactions. It's a nanoglyceride, nanosonic acid. This is soap molecules from triglyceride fat and oils reacted with sodium hydroxide and heat. Your forming is a cleavage glycerol and sodium salt fatty acids. This is applications of soap. They are commonly used in developing home appliance chemicals. This lecture are synthesis of heterocyclic compounds are used in common development of homemade chemicals like food, drugs, fuels, carbohydrate, etc. These are using for heterocyclic compounds. Thank you for your kind attention.